What's up? We back in the garage. Finna do some more work to the beam, you know what I'm saying? I got a light. It's a bright ass light. It's like strong as hell. Looking like daytime in here. Doing wheel stuff conversion today. We got my car ready for some spacers. This is gonna be part 1 of a 2-part series because I don't got the spacers yet. I ordered them today. They just got shipped out today. I should have them soon. Once I have a good day, I'm gonna put those on. I'm gonna try to do that during the daytime so I'm outside, y'all can see the difference. But anyways, some sandpaper, we're gonna clean off the hub, the red locker and all that. Went out, I got some torque wrenches, I got some Allen sockets for us, hex sockets, whatever you wanna call it. Got all my tools and everything, got a jack. By the way, the sun that I brought into the garage is this Husky 7000 lumen multi-directional LED tripod work light. If y'all looking for a good light, I just went and pulled up at Home Depot, bought this random. Pretty fucking bright, man. Alright, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna break these loose. We're gonna jack the car up in the air. We're gonna get started on this side. Let's get to it. God damn. Got it. Ooh. One more. If you put tire shine on, be very careful when you're doing this because if you get it's messy. Just be careful. Wear gloves, guys. I forgot to put mine on. I'm a stupid guy. You know what else I forgot to do, guys? I forgot to grab my drill. I grabbed gloves, but I forgot my drill again. Alright, we were successful this time. Alright, I got a camera on my head now because this shit keeps falling. You've learned something about this jack already, and that is that it sucks. So you know what that means? That means we gotta pay attention while we work, boys. All right, that is wheel number 1 off. All right, first thing we want to do, let's clean this hub up a little bit, guys. Everything we work on, we want it to be nice and clean. I feel like I'm working against this jack right now. It's kind of scary. Once we got this all sanded down, cleaned up, once you're satisfied, I'm just gonna grab some of these paper towels. I'm gonna spray this down a little bit with some brake cleaner. Make sure you give it a nice good spray. Clean it off well. Wipe it all down. Make sure everything nice and clean right here. All right. Grab each one of these. Grab a little bit of thread locker. Boop. Get it in place. You're just gonna go by hand with all of them. You're gonna set this to 25 foot-pounds. Got another one in here. Boop. All of these in here, guys. Go slowly, do it by hand. You don't want to damage a single one of these threads, or you will be very mad at yourself after. Careful with what you're doing. Pay attention. Tighten that in. I got all those in there by hand. fuck. And things just went wrong. This is where we're gonna stop. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna have to get all those off right now. I'm not gonna be doing this tonight. I don't know if y'all saw what happened, but this garbage broke. That's what happens when you about to try to buy cheap shit. Don't buy cheap drill bits. They fail. To take these off, regardless if you have this or not, you're gonna strip this if you try to take it off with just the Allen. So what you do is you get 2 nuts on there, tighten them together. The one that's gonna be on the inside, you're gonna loosen that one. It's gonna pull everything off. I'm gonna show y'all in a second. Hold on, let me get this other one on here. Something else I did is I got in the car and I put a weight to hold down my brake. Anyways, you cinch these together like that. You tighten this one onto this one. You have this one. I already did it, but you break them loose and you're just gonna spin that inside one and it's gonna pull the whole stud out. Alright, that's the next day. We got AutoZone right now. Finna grab the little 5mm hex socket, try to replace what I broke, and then we're gonna see if we can get this job done today. Let's get inside right quick and see what we can find. We only got 6mm. We gotta find this 5mm somewhere. Those are all SAE. Oh, right here. Perfect, yes.
That's what you're looking for?
This is what I'm looking for. Husky 5mm hex quick socket, 3/8 drive. It's the one. Hopefully this one doesn't break on me. Alright, the goods are secured. Had to come to Home Depot. AutoZone ain't want to have individual 5mm. It's cool though. It's cool though. We got Husky. We're gonna test this. Look at the car though. Damn. I just got back to the crib. Finna get all set up in the garage, get all comfy, get all my stuff together and my tools and stuff, and I'm gonna get with y'all in a second so we can get started on this and actually finish it this time. Alright, let's get this garage ready. Alright, we're ready to go. We got the wheel off. Now we finna get back to what we was doing yesterday before we were rudely interrupted. Alright, we got them all on, hand tight. One thing I'm gonna tell you about this light, it's bright, but it's hot as hell, man. That's good. There we go. And then we want to confirm, make yourself feel better. Alright, let's start tightening these bad boys up on here. Oh no. Oh no. We have run into a predicament. Doesn't reach. We need a deeper one.
Vai, filhão.
Ei, pai, como tá?
Belezinha? Nem começou.
Alright, we got what we need. Hey, if you guys are having a hard time with the drill, make sure you do it by hand so you don't fuck up your threads. Why? Hey man, y'all know how it goes. Same thing as last time. Car's all cleaned up, everything's all done. It's been done for a little bit. I recorded a little clip with what it looked like in the light so y'all could see. That's probably gonna be right before this clip, but I'm very happy. Got the 70 mils on there already for spacers. They should be here something like Sunday, Monday. So next week y'all gonna be seeing a video of me putting some spacers on this. I got 15 mils to go all around. We're gonna see what we do from there.
One for the garage monsters. Is that dark?